Oh, let me be very honest. I know I've always been honest. Otis are comments now coming from Boahene Sabia. It is not in the good taste. And yet, oh yeah, Okyehene. So we said you're Okyehene Kitowabi, Boahene Kasia. And young one down for me didn't come up. Okasa Ujum. Nasa Okasa. It's not good. I mean, yes, over support to MPP. And yes, over support to NDC. Now they make some of these comments. No, I think that was an opportunity for him. And Cocker, and Kevin Castle. Mama, the summer month for Kane, every key in a super. Now, one so for any two from Nasha near your fat, near your fat. And you take here. But you don't, you see, okay, a baby for now, okay, baby for now as I brought some. If it is not good, let's be very honest. Let me be very, very candid and honest. Some of these comments, and yet, I am paying for it. More than the Casa Sabi Cafra, and Casa Sampany for. Okyehene people actually me Obiri. Yet, the land and take to Namaka. Who young people for pa money win, I can say for do by my people Ginapa, Nakahubi. But I won't make such comments. So there are some of our communicators, both political divide and people and these, that I can say the Kafrachu, yes, American, Madame Fukakubuan, or Coca said Libya, and Libya. So the Kafrachu, over and people, and I'm free to be Cocabia and Libya. But this is a statement, and yet it is a me I have no MPP Mecca. No, you're not sure we are neutral. You are supposed to be neutral. Because if you want to call one, they do MPP, or do NDC.
Nana Chami, or Okyehene Chami, and a pace, Yajina Noisi Bonnie, a yefutu no dema, and Yana Asem and Walker. And yes, be a man for
please. No, not so my dear water. It's not my dear water. With due respect, I said, may see, you know, Yaki, Yakami, Yahu, Eti, Edna, I said, no son of you. One cannot cut a food or country. Oh, I mean, it can be the human being, no, none of your depart, your depart. Oh, and the none of the summer, I'm not going to I don't see. None of the question, oh, my Nachasan. When Pa now see, we are the on Casaman and Uncle Sibabita. Have a more fidelity table. Muntimin can't say, Chosana, no boy.
No, but I see Nana, Nana Kasa, boom, until.
No, please. Sabi said your move person to better. Yes, in your coso. Nana Kasa, the woman, it was straightforward. If you had a question, I said, BNT, and now before Kamayante, and China, Yanti, and Nancy, be an oh, please, this country belongs to all of us.
So, Diana Ma, Tana Kasa ye. Dian Cheye.
So, see the use of the word Abayifo. The use of the word Abayifo. I mean, the use, and then in public. Abayifo in public. Every man you gathering class, your political gathering club. No, yeah, no, okay. And I don't want to use the word Bayifo now. What could I bet my country be a trash? Okay, then I answer. Sabi Abayifo.
Anna, when you crashinia, on your crashinia now a Bayifo.
No, it is. Let's admit the fact that it is that statement. It is not in a good taste. It is in a bad taste. Let's admit that fact. Then we move on. I've been saying, look, in some of these, if we're the worst performing MPP government is street ahead of the best NDC government. It is an undeniable fact.
And they say, I know they are more about me. I saw a Ghana for now. That decision, send their politics. But
it doesn't change, he said. It doesn't change, he said. Send this for so cassette, and I'm on for cassette near my boy dinner. Cassette baby. The reality on the ground is that never born a Kosovo. That is the reality on the ground. They claim VIP. New first about starting from today. New first about via.
You were a graduate, you couldn't get a job. Somebody finds a way to create job for you so that the skills you have learned at school wouldn't be to waste. Not only that, the man made sure so amount experience said the bear and there say oko apply for another job need besides how many years of experience do you have in this field that at least to make us from 2019 to 2020 you have done this type of job over 3 years experience. Yeah. And you sit there, allow a party that could not give you a job because according to them you were not experienced. Isn't it sad? Ghana for NAPCO for na many omokasan. And that is why I also said they were very ungrateful in Tinesanana Sebe Etwemukra na me na happen. To be honest with you, because NAPCO 4 people they really let me down. The NAPCO people really let me down. Matinefie since 2013. Some of you since 2013. Munye Jumanye. Obia ba befawa ma NAPCO. Charles Kweku say he's intelligent but not wicked. I said wicked in a sarcastic way. Say Kufuadu you wicked in a sarcastic way. Because Charles, Osha dia papa ne ye now. Opeso gu NDC o. Opeso gu NDC party totally and san we free so. Look at what is happening in the north. North when you can hands down NDC winning. Look at what Bawumia and them did in the north there. Look at what now Uti chiefs are saying now. Say for 7 times they have seeked several governments say Mumma ye region, but they never gave them. 7 times. 7 times they have seeked say Omuhia regional capital. Omuhia say Beyomo region. It never happened. But Akufo-Addo listened and did it for them. Unless the Omuye Buniaye for Nombeto Aba Edietia MPP Aba the next time around. And I'm glad the man actually confessed that they are sorry. Say he created a region and they voted against him. But they promised him say come 2024, him and his people would actually vote for the MPP. Look at what Peter Mewu is doing in Hohoi. Look at how gradually Nanado is winning Hohoi, winning voter region bit by bit. All tells you say this man is a unique man. Now, enunti ena me saw camera no. Eja medin kai ama background kakri. Memfa enombra in the next 20 minutes. Na men sorry so. Mame chere ma DB. Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo is the only president that has 16 regions. Utie. His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Ononkwane president ya webedi Ghana swa okuta 16 regions. Guess what that comes with? Extra responsibility. Extra responsibility. Adi intia. Because first no now your regions are 10. Okay, now with the same resources we have created 6 extra regions. Now what makes Akufo-Addo scary for these people who hate the truth in the say, and God is my witness, not good, every part of Ghana has received